Are you still sending out cover letters and not hearing anything back? Well, my friend, you're not alone. And chances are your letter isn't responding to the job ad. So let's fix that today. In this video, I'll show you how to write a cover letter that actually gets read using proven strategies from Australian career experts, recruiters, and government-backed platforms. Plus, I'll share how AI can help you write smarter, not harder. Most cover letters fail because they're generic. They just don't speak to the job ad, the company, or the role. According to Youth Central and My Future, your cover letter should highlight your most relevant skills and show how you meet the employer's needs. Not just I'm a hard worker, but why you're the right fit. Here's how to break it down. First, highlight the keywords in the ad, like team leadership or customer engagement. Then mirror their tone. If it's formal, keep it professional. If it's casual, you can keep it warmer. So instead of saying I'm applying for the role, say I'm excited to apply for the marketing coordinator role at XYZ agency. With 4 years of experience in digital campaigns and a passion for community engagement, I'm confident I can contribute to your team's success. Can you see the difference? AI tools can help you generate first drafts fast. But here's the catch. It doesn't know you. It can sound robotic or overly polished. Seek and Hayes Australia both say, use AI as a starting point, but always personalise. So with popular AI tools, feed it the job ad, your resume, and clear prompts. Then revise. Add your voice, your achievements, your story. And before you hit send, ask yourself, does this respond to the job ad? Is it clear and confident? Does it show how I align with the company's values? And have I added a personal touch? If you're stuck on your resume, cover letter, or LinkedIn profile, this is exactly what we work on in my group coaching sessions. We deep dive into real job ads, optimize your documents, and build your confidence step by step. I'll add the description in the pinned comment below. So why not join us? You'll get support, strategy, and clarity, plus a community that's cheering you on. And if you want to make sure that you have a strong resume to go with your cover letter, watch this next video on your screen.